up, YouTube? It's your girl CT, and I have with me my beautiful daughter,
Zoe.
She has graced us with her presence, and we are doing a mukbang. We're just gonna talk, catch up. This is spring break, so I'm sure she has a lot to talk about. All right, so you already know what we're eating. Volcano crab. This is our favorite. If it ain't Subway, it's volcano crab. So we're about to get into the video. All right, so I have from Volcano Crab option B, and Zoe has option A. Option B has mussels in it. Option A has sausage. So mine is leaking right now, so I'm gonna try to shake it up. Now I'm gonna pour mine into a bowl. And she just keeps hers there. Because that's just how I am. Can you get some paper towels? Get it from me. I asked you to get it from All right. Say a prayer. Guys, Kristen, God's good. Let us take Him for our food. Bow our hands with all we beg. Give us Lord that is great. Amen. Praise the Lord. So, what's been going on with you, Zoe? You already know I was gonna ask you that. So we got volcano special, and we got hot. Did you want hot? Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. Sure.
Okay, what's been going on in my life?
Mm-hmm.
Nothing really. School, sleep, repeat.
School, sleep, repeat. I am spilling stuff on the table. So, how are your grades?
My grades are great. I got my electrical part. I got three A's and 1 B.
That's pretty good. That's pretty awesome, actually. I'm proud of you. Do you know that?
Mm-hmm.
You believe that?
Yeah.
You're doing amazing.
Mm-hmm.
So, what's been going on with me? I've been trying to get this tooth filled in, but I reneged again because I'm not getting an implant. I thought I was ready for the process, but I'm not ready for the process. So I'm just gonna keep my fake tooth in until I get ready. So if you don't know, like they put a screw in your gums, and that takes like a month and a half for it to heal. Then you come back and you do another process. Like I forgot about it was several steps. So when they was explaining it to me, I was like, no. And then they were just like, whenever you're ready, just come back. So, also, I've been dating. I have been dating this guy, and I'm probably going to show you guys when we do a date night. I'm not going to show you him, but I will show you like date night, what we wear, where we go, stuff like that. You'll hear him and get to see. Because what I don't do anymore is post who I'm dating until it is official. And when I mean official, that means a ring on it. You will not be seeing it.
Why?
Because if it don't work out,
Mm-hmm.
take your L's in private. I have posted him, but like a snippet. I posted him on TikTok, but it was a snippet, like you could barely see. You know, just a little teaser, but I'm not doing that other stuff until it is official. You know what I'm saying? Take your L's in private. That way nobody don't even know. Nobody can say you was with this person, take them in private. And I had to learn it the hard way. But I'm not saying you have to do that. That's just what I'm doing. Tracking.
Mm-hmm.
Anything else you can think of, Zoe?
It's hot. It's hot. Anything else I can think of? I'm dyeing my hair back black.
So about, I'm glad you said that. So I went to set your appointment today to get your hair done, and it's Friday. And what I was thinking is you go ahead and get the treatment and then do the bob and keep that color for the summer. So you can have a little color in the summer.
But
Because it's too soon to do it and then do that. Because there's too much chemicals. You understand what I'm saying? Just keep the color for like the summer or for a few weeks or whatever. And then you dye it black. Because we are doing this to revive your hair. And I don't want to do anything more to damage it. Tracking? So go ahead and finish. Zoe, you wasting it on the table.
what was that?
No, it was coming down, look.
Well, never mind.
But tell me what you're doing to your hair though.
I'm cutting it into a bob.
I think it's gonna look so cute on you. I think I'm gonna do a vlog of Zoe getting her hair done and the outcome. She's gonna get a keratin treatment. And it's like, it's a really good treatment where it looks like she has a relaxer because she's going back natural. But it's not a relaxer. And it makes your hair bone straight. But it's no relaxer. It costs a good little penny though. But it's worth it. It lasts for like 3 or 4 months. So Zoe's on spring break this week. We were supposed to go to Kings Dominion Monday, but it rained, so I ended up having to get my money back.
I stay with my grandparents.
Easter just passed, so she got, tell them. I don't know if y'all could have seen these Easter baskets this girl got.
I got 2 big Easter baskets with so much candy in there. And my mom got me an Easter basket with lashes and like fake stuff. You know, because I like stuff like that. So this Easter has been the best Easter ever because so much stuff. So if you're my age, ask for an Easter basket. Ask for one. Ask for one.
Yeah, because I wasn't thinking about getting her an Easter basket because of her age. And then she sent me a message early in April, was like, Mom, can you please give me an Easter basket? So I'm thinking she wanted an Easter basket. So I go to Walmart and she's like, no, I don't want one of these kitty Easter baskets. She said, I want you to make me one with my favorite candies and stuff. But then her grandmother had called right before Easter and was like, I got you an Easter basket. I got you 2 of them with a lot of candy and stuff. I'm going to drop it off. So when I heard that, I was like, it's no need for me to give her a basket with candy. So I got her some face masks. I got her some blackhead strips. I got her some under eye patches, some lashes,
All that good stuff.
shower bombs. So
Best Easter ever. Easter was pretty good. Like that day, Easter was pretty good.
well, Easter was good, yeah. We woke up. It was about God resurrecting. Jesus resurrecting. But I ended up getting a flat tire that day. So I ended up I had already bought tires like months ahead. And I was waiting till my tires wore out before I put the new ones on because they were expensive. And I was like, I'm gonna get every bit of miles from these tires. And
You did exactly that.
I did exactly that. And Easter, my tires, one of my tires, like the wires was coming out. But we had just came from Atlanta. So I feel like that's why it happened like that. I'm so glad it happened to where it happened at home and we weren't in Atlanta and we weren't in 757. We just came from my cousin, my aunt's barbecue in a 757 in Hampton, and then we went to Smithfield. So I'm so glad it happened when we were here. And I was able to go to my parents' house because that's where my tires were in their garage. I'm able to get the tires put on. So,
For the free.
we went for free. Well, yes it was. Because my dad paid for it. Because he said it was my birthday gift. So it's for the free. Thank you, God.
I've been wanting seafood boil for a long time now. And I finally got it. I don't know what it is. What's the bread?
Some eggs, but
What?
But they're dead. It's not gonna affect it. You can eat it. I mean, you can still eat the meat, but I just seen somebody on TikTok asked about it, and then the scientist was like, "Yes, they are eggs. However, blah 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 blah. They're dead. So you still can eat the meat if you want, or you can throw it away." I don't think it's gonna come on.
I was thinking that was eggs too. Only on the crab?
Yeah, because like it protects the crab, or the crab protects the egg, something like that. I forgot what he was saying, but I literally just seen that like maybe a week and a half ago. These mussels are so good.
I'm so happy to be on spring break, you guys. School is just so much, and then I gotta wake up so early. I just don't like that part. I feel like if school started later, you know, I like school. Cause I like school. I like going to school. You know, a couple hours of socializing to come home and go to sleep. I like that part. It's just, why do we have to go so early? I don't understand. I feel like elementary should get our schedule, and we should get elementary schedule.
Or maybe all of y'all go at the same time.
Nah, no, based on the bus.
But it's other school systems that do that. Like Sussex, everybody go at the same time. They just have buses that come get, you know, the little kids and buses come get the big kids.
Oh. I think we use all the same buses though. Cause,
Mm-mm. So, last mukbang, you said, I never taught you about heartbreak. How to deal with heartbreak. Have you had a heartbreak yet?
I told you this last year I didn't have a heartbreak.
Yeah, I know, but that's been months ago. So I'm just asking, like, update. Have you had a heartbreak yet?
Mommy knows that I have.
Well, they don't know.
No. I haven't had a heartbreak.
I'm just updating the people. She hasn't had a heartbreak, guys. That's good.
In fact,
In fact, what? I already know what you're about to say. In fact, what?
I got back with the person I told you I broke up with.
Well, we're gonna call me a little friend. Sometimes I don't like saying boyfriend.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna call me your little friend, okay? Matter of fact, my cousin asked me about y'all today. And she spoke very highly of. She said he's a nice little boy.
Who is it?
Linda.
Oh.
She was like, how's Zoe and her friend doing? See, that's what the older people say. We don't say boy. How you Zoe and her friend doing? And I was like, they're doing good. I said, she mean to him.
Why you gotta tell everybody that? What if I said that? What if I said that after you said, I'm talking about dating? Yeah, she talking about dating, but she mean to him.
You're right. I shouldn't say that. I shouldn't say that. But he a nice little boy. He be coming when I pick Zoe from school. Cause it's so sweet. He be coming, open the door for Zoe, putting her in the car. And then he can walk off, go wherever he going. And then when I'm dropping her off from school, he see her, he'll wait for her at the door and open the door for her. Ain't that so cute? Whoever, his mother is raising him well. He be like, hey, Miss Williams. You alright?
I'm good.
Be careful what you ask for. Look at her. I can't get that. I ain't. Going.
Yeah.
Tell them what happened Sunday.
No, whoa. Like, why? Mama.
That was funny. Tell something about grandma.
Okay. Yo, I went to my grandma's house. I think it was Thursday. Yeah, it was Thursday. And you know, I have allergies, like real bad allergies. So when I went outside, I was playing outside with my little cousins. And my allergies was messing up. So I went to go sit down. I just kept sneezing and sniffling. My eyes running. Holding my head. I'm gonna say, oh, you got allergies like your mom used to have them. I was like, yes, ma'am. Thinking she gonna tell me to go to the house. That was the end of that conversation.
I wasn't talking about that. I was talking about when grandma saw y'all sitting together. What she said to you.
So my little friend came to church, my church on Easter. I was with my grandma. The usher sat them beside me. Okay, so when I saw they was coming to sit beside me, my face was, I guess, I don't know. She said I looked terrified. So when grandma said, that grandma looked at me, she looked at him and saw my face, and she said, "You know him?" I said, "Yes." "That's your boyfriend?" I said, "Yes." That was so funny. Oh my goodness. Like all the seats in the church, and the usher sat them beside me.
So I had to leave church because my tire, well, I had left, we had rehearsal. And I had left during rehearsal before church started because of my tire. And someone gonna text me, "Mommy, oh my goodness, so-and-so here." And I said to myself, "You invited that boy."
I did not.
Then I said to her later, I said, "So why you text me acting like you didn't invite that boy?" She said, "Mom, I did not invite him. If I would have invited him, I would have made sure my hair was doing better." I was cracking up. I said, "This girl's a trip." She was like, "Hey, ooh, look at that."
I'm gonna get one.
I thought I was gonna say something. I guess I must be hungry.
Yeah, I'm ready for you to start eating.
Cause I had a protein shake earlier, that's why. So guys, if you've been watching Getting Back to see your girl lost 11 pounds as of last Saturday. I don't know, I do my weigh-ins on Saturday, so I don't know what this Saturday may hold, but as of last Saturday, I lost 11 pounds. Your girl's getting back to CC. Period. Do it with me. Period. We gonna do it no more. Y'all do period no more. What y'all do?
Oh no.
We do be doing period.
I don't say it no more. Excuse me, don't nobody say it no more.
Nobody said it no more. I just said it to somebody on Facebook. They was like, somebody had asked me something in my inbox, and they was like, "Oh, well, that's none of my business." I was like, period. It's none of your business, period. But we was
The older people say it.
She always like to do that.
The older people still say period.
I am not old.
It's like,
It started with it anyway.
Listen. It's like, once the young people start saying stuff, we don't keep it for a while. We keep it for a good little minute. Then when we done, the older people just overdo it.
So,
And we just like,
it started with us. The girl is our age that started it.
oh, but we made it turn more.
You done? Well, as y'all can see, Zoe just whispered in my ear that she was done. So I guess this is the end of the video. We will keep you guys updated. I think I'm gonna do a vlog this week since she's on spring break.
Oh,
What?
I'm about to tell you to stay tuned for the Sprite challenge, but that's on TikTok.
Follow me on TikTok so you can see the Sprite challenge. CT_Williams. CT__Williams.
Because I ain't doing this right now. Because she is, what's it called? Whack. And don't want to do it with me.
I mean, I'm gonna do it with you, but I already know I'm not gonna do well. Because I'm a bird.
You can go to the store right now and get some. I hope we got some water. That's all we got, guys. Water.
That's all I drink. That's all you're supposed to drink.
All we have is water.
And protein shakes.
I don't hear that.
You should. Zoe forever. See that we get.
Oh!
Zoe forever be acting like we ain't got no food here, but guess what? I still have Chef missed a meal. No, you have not.
if I did, it's because of my choice. I always eat.
Exactly. So
It's just, I don't say I don't eat. This is what I say. We don't have no food at home, which is true.
we true that. Look.
Oh wait, let me get one. I got to do this, then we're done. Because I gotta, I'll be.
It's not completely true. It's food here. We got salad here. We got grapes. We got seafood. We got fish fillet. We
went to the store last Sunday. No, we didn't even go to the store last Sunday. I did.
It's just stuff she don't want to eat. Healthy stuff. Because that's what I'm on right now. I'm on a healthy kick. But not right now. That's what I'm on, period.
That fish fillet is mine.
No, it's not.
Those fish, that green packet.
No, I'm talking about the real one. I ain't talking about no pre-made mess that you just put. Yeah. I'm talking about real fish ones.
Alright. Ooh, look at this.
Alright, guys. I guess that's the end. Thank you for watching. We will see you guys next time. Peace.